welcome to today's video. If you want to join the family that is growing and I'm so proud and blessed of, just subscribe down below and yeah, welcome. So for today's video, I think it is important to just cleaning our bedroom, our space once in a while, and because this week I've just not been home, or I just didn't care about it. It has been kind of chaotic to be here, and so I have to clean it, I have to organize everything because I need to get some work done and I just can't work with this whole mess going on around me. First of all, what we need to do is, I already took the rug off because I had the puppy here running with me and I didn't want him to pee on the rug. Oh, I heard him. The first thing that I'm gonna be doing is to just clean my bed, clean everything, like small things, and then I'm gonna wipe the floor and vacuum also, organize the closet as well, organize my desk, organize my thingy. I don't know, we have a lot of stuff to do, so I better get going. We better get going, and yeah, let's go. First of all, for this to work, I need music, and I've been loving, like, absolute loving, the new album from Selena Gomez. What else is here? I guess you've noticed because last weekly vlog I just listened to Selena Gomez, but yeah, I was listening to it. And I just love, I think it's just great quality, just so raw and rare. So yeah, let's put some music so I can get some cleaning done. So that's the end of this video. I just showered because I was feeling dirty since I cleaned my room so intensively that, yeah, I was not feeling the most hygiene. So this is my bedroom. That's the jacket I'm going to be wearing. That's my just bag that has everything that I need. And yeah, it's pretty much organized. So that's the end of this video of the extreme cleaning, and I hope you guys liked it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to join the family. And yeah, I love you all, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.